Buy Xbox Series X. The Xbox Series X is Microsoft's flagship gaming console, offering cutting-edge performance, 4K gaming, and backward compatibility with thousands of titles. Buying an Xbox Series X requires understanding where to purchase, pricing, features, and the best deals available. 1. Where to buy Xbox Series X. Microsoft Store, official retailer with direct purchase options and financing plans. Major retailers, available at Best Buy, Walmart, Target, GameStop, and electronics stores. Online marketplaces, Amazon, eBay, and other platforms offer new and refurbished models. Xbox All Access, financing plan that bundles the console with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for a monthly fee. 2. Price and editions available. Standard Xbox Series X, priced around $499. Prices may vary during promotions. Bundle editions include popular games, Game Pass subscriptions, or extra controllers. Refurbished consoles, certified pre-owned models at lower prices from authorized sellers. 3. Key features of Xbox Series X. 4K gaming at 60 FPS, supports up to 120 FPS for select games. 1TB SSD storage, high-speed NVMe SSD for fast load times and quick resume features. Ray tracing, realistic lighting, shadows and reflections in supported games. Physical disk drive, supports physical game disks, 4K UHD Blu-rays and DVDs. Backward compatibility, play thousands of Xbox One, Xbox 360, and original Xbox titles. 4. What to consider before buying. Storage expansion, 1TB. Storage is expandable with the Seagate storage expansion card. Disk drive allows physical game purchases, movie playback, and backward compatibility. Game subscriptions. Xbox Game Pass offers access to hundreds of games, making the Series X even more valuable. 5. Best times to buy Xbox Series X. Holiday sales. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and other seasonal sales offer discounts or bundles. Game bundles. Look for deals that include popular games or Game Pass subscriptions. Trade-in promotions. Some stores offer trade-in discounts when upgrading from older consoles. 6. Accessories for Xbox Series X. Extra controllers. Xbox wireless controllers for multiplayer and co-op gaming. Gaming headset. Compatible with wired and wireless headsets for immersive sound. Storage expansion. Seagate 1TB expansion card for additional game storage. Charging dock, rechargeable battery kits, and charging stations for controllers. 7. Financing and payment options. Xbox All Access. Pay in monthly installments with Game Pass Ultimate included. Retailer financing. Many stores offer credit options or buy now, pay later services. Third-party financing. Services like Affirm or Klarna may be available for online purchases. 8. Alternatives to Xbox Series X. Xbox Series S, budget-friendly option with digital-only gaming at lower resolution. PlayStation 5, Sony's next-gen console with similar performance. PC gaming setups, for those who prefer customizable hardware and game libraries. The Xbox Series X delivers top-tier gaming performance, making it a great choice for 4K gaming, fast load times, and extensive backward compatibility. Choosing the right retailer, looking for bundle deals, and considering storage expansion will help you get the best value when purchasing your console.